Hi, JD with GREE here with another tech tip. So we've had a couple calls come in on our FXU air handler. You can get the blower out to work on it, clean it, replace it, that it's hitting a couple screws. So we'll take this cover off here. I'll show you what we're talking about. So to slide this blower out, there's 2 screws, one on each side. We're going to go ahead and take those out. So if we go to slide it out, you can't slide it out. All you do is loosen these screws up. If you have a short screwdriver, with most technicians have different sizes, then you can get in there and unscrew those. If you don't happen to have one, you can always undo these couple screws up on the top. That will raise that up, and you can get a longer screwdriver down in there to get those undone. All right, so now all the screws are up and out of the way. So now the blower wheel will come right out, service it, clean it. So I hope this helps if you're out in the field and struggling to get that blower out. And again, with GREE, we're by your side.